Unboxing video for KZ ASX in-ear monitors that I just received from the website called drop.com. It used to be called as massdrop.com, but they recently changed it to drop.com. So here is the new KZ ASX model. It's kind of a long awaited version. There are 10 balanced armatures in every IEM, so 20 balanced armatures in total. I recently got the KZ ZS10 Pro, and that was my first IEM from KZ. It was really well made and very good quality. And that had, I think, 3 balanced armatures and 1 dynamic driver, if I'm not mistaken. This one is like significantly step above. That was like 30-35 bucks. This is almost like 90 bucks on drop, so it's probably more than that when it goes on sale on Amazon or AliExpress or similar websites. Really curious to see how it performs, but this video I'm just going to focus on its unboxing essentially. So simple box, there you have it. It's a jazzy looking kind of enclosure here. It's big. I mean, you can anticipate that for a 10 balanced armature IEM. But looks really interesting. It's supposed to be a 3D printed material here. So that's that. Let's look at what else is there in the box. Here is some features and warranty and how to use kind of booklet. Some certificate here. This is a cable, and this looks like some additional foam caps. Let's look at the cable here. Wow, it's a pretty looking cable. It's a good quality. So the connection is 2-pin connector. It's not the MMCX type that is used, I think, in ZS10 Pro. But cable looks good quality. It might be prone to tangling a little bit, but overall quality is really good. It's a fairly small cable. Let's see how long it is. So I'm a big connoisseur of IEMs, and I have quite a big repertoire of different IEMs, and if you would like me to compare this with any specific IEMs that you can think of, please let me know in the comments, and I will definitely see if I have them or if I can get them from my friends or something. I have ZS10 Pro. I'm definitely going to compare that. I also recently got Automotive SR4 XR, so I'll compare it with those as well. And then another one from Drop, that was JVC FD-X1, so I'll compare it with those 2-3 IEMs. So there is no left or right written specifically on the cable, so I will have to figure it out. 20 balanced armatures work together. Yep, so that's it. That's the unboxing essentially. Let me also open these foam caps to see how many they provide. So we have about 3 more sets here. There are 5 caps. That's interesting. Maybe they missed one, or so these 2 are for one size. I think they gave me one extra of the big size, or they missed one middle size. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's it. And this is the kind of a seal, I guess. Yeah, this is their flagship IEM as of now. So looks very interesting. Can't wait to really try it out on my gear, and will definitely come up with a detailed review. Thank you.